So when we manage our projects, we have different type of resources. One is web resource where we have, let's say, for example, manpower who charges out, let's say, a certain amount per hour, and others might be material resources that we use. For example, for brainstorming concept, storyline writing, script writing, let's say we need papers like drawing papers, and then let's say pencils for drawing and so forth. And for production, maybe we need to have cameras, and then over here for production we need out, let's say, editing software and so forth. So in that case, what we can do is we can list out resources accordingly. So we can go around over here onto the view tab right here. And if I were to go around onto the resource sheet right here, then you can see that I have scriptwriter and everything else right here. But I can go around over here and add in another type of resource as well. So if I were to go around and then, let's say, expand this, you can see that work resource is for what is charged hourly and so forth. But if I were to go for cost resource, then what happens is that it's the cost of something. But if I were to go for material right here, then it's the material resource. For example, I'm just going to go around and type in drawing papers right here, just like this. And once I do that, D is assigned to it, as you can see. And instead of the standard rate of per hour, now you have a place to add in a total cost. Let's say, for example, for drawing papers, I need about $20 right here, just like this. So that is what you have, and there is no overrate for this one, let's say, for example. So over here, you don't see any calendar assigned to it right here. It's actually disabled. That is because for materials, calendar does not actually is something that is necessary. So let's say I'm going to go around and say camera hire right here, or camera rent, let's say, for example. And this is going to be, let's say, the total cost right here. So the rent, total camera rent budget, let's say, for example, will be around something right here. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So this is the overall cost. Over here, you can go around and type in 100 or something right here. Well, let me just go around and say material itself and say camera rent right here, and for that, this is going to be a total of, let's say, 550 right here, or it can be more over here as well. So you get the total cost, as you can see right here. So there's the drawing paper, the camera rent right here. And let's say I'm going to go around and go for editing software right here. So I'm just going to go around and let's press cancel right here. So this is going to be the editing software. Let me just click around over here and then erase it. So I'm just going to go around and type in editing software right here. And this is going to be, let's just go around over here. Software, there you go. And then change it into material right here, just like this. And this is, I'm going to go around and say ED right here, just like this. And this is going to be CR right here. And the D is okay because it is not repeating. So for the editing software, let's say this is going to cost around, let's say, about $120 for the project right here, just like this. And now you can see that we have our resources right here. And based on this, we can go around and create out our task schedule and then estimate out the cost as well. And that is how you can go around and then add in material resource to your resource sheet as well inside of Microsoft Project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.